left with pieces shit like Reese's. That's the motherfucker.